Friend raised my fidgets part 2. Okay. Squishy.
10 out of 10 is really soft.
Mochi.
Mochi's 9 out of 10. They're cute.
Big stingy.
Big chain. 10 out of 10 is really in the chain.
This gobble. Whatever.
Cognito. 10 out of 10.
Putty or slime, whatever.
Ooh, I love Blue at 3. 10 out of 10.
Pea popper.
Really soft. 10 out of 10.
And pop tubes.
That's not old.
The mini, by the way.
Yeah. 10 out of 10. Love the sound.
So guys, we have a couple.
Wait. I need the acupuncture rings. 10 out of 10.
Okay, so guys, she rated all the fidgets, so I'm just gonna do some ASMR. Good. Bye. Come back for part 3 when I rate her fidgets. Bye.